Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Chloe Solar USB Firework light. Let's get going. In the box we have the instructions, the light with the solar panel integrated, and the stake which you pop into place like so. So on the back of the solar panel, you have the on-off button, the mode button, an indication of how well it's charging, and the USB-C port. Now it's incredibly important to note that a USB-C cable is not included with this light. Turning the light on is very simple. You just press the on-off button once and wait for it to get dark. From there, you just bend the legs into the shape that you would like, and there you have the Chloe Firework light. So there is an incredible 200 LEDs on this light with 1.9 meters of cable between the solar panel and the light itself. And there's 8 different lighting modes, including flashing, fading, alternating colors, and a stable mode. All you have to do is press the mode button on the back of the solar panel to switch between modes. There is also a power saving mode on this light, and you will still get up to 10 hours of runtime in the winter months. This product is designed to withstand UK winters. Just make sure that you place the solar panel in a sunny spot, and it just adds that lovely detail and bit of atmosphere to any outdoor space. So if you have any questions about this product at all, please make sure just to comment them down below and we will get back to you with the answer. I hope you enjoyed this video and loved this light, and we will see you on the next one.